How to instant result on Football Manager 26. Today I'm going to show you in this full step-by-step guide how to skip full match simulations and instantly see the final result without going through every in-game minute. This feature is perfect if you want to move faster through your season or focus more on tactics, transfers, and team building rather than watching the entire match unfold. First, open Football Manager 26 and load your current save or start a new career. Once you're on the main screen, head to your Preferences or Settings menu. You'll usually find this at the top right corner under the game's main menu icon. Inside the settings, look for the Interface section. This is where you can manage how your game displays options and add-ons. Make sure you have the skin set to one that supports the Instant Result button. Some official skins include this feature by default, but if not, you can download a custom skin that includes it. If your version doesn't show the Instant Result button, go to a trusted Football Manager community site or forum where players share verified skins and mods. Once you download a compatible skin, extract it into your Football Manager folder under Documents, and then Sports Interactive, and then Football Manager 2026, and then Skins. After placing it there, restart the game and return to the Preferences section. From there, select your new skin and press Confirm to reload it. When the reload finishes, you should now see an Instant Result option appear on the top bar during match days. Now, when you're about to play a match, instead of clicking Play Match, select Instant Result. A window will appear allowing you to choose your match tactics, lineup, and pre-match instructions. Once everything looks good, press Continue and the game will automatically simulate the match in seconds, showing you the final score and post-match stats immediately. You'll still be able to check goal scorers, player ratings, and the key stats as if you had played a full game. If you want to adjust how the instant result behaves, go back to the skin settings. Some allow you to customize whether assistant managers pick the team, decide tactics, or skip post-match analysis. This helps streamline your experience even more, especially if you prefer managing multiple seasons quickly. And that's it. By enabling the instant result feature in Football Manager 26, you can save hours of gameplay and focus on what really matters: building your club, making smart transfers, and chasing trophies. It's a simple change that makes the entire experience more efficient without losing the strategic fun that makes Football Manager so addictive.